So hello everyone, let's talk about our next question. So our next question, it has been asked in the NEET PG January session 2020. Okay, so a patient presented with a precancerous lesion, abdominal swelling and the inguinal lymphadenopathy. On examination, lymphadenopathy was found. So what is the most probable carcinoma related to this condition? So the options are carcinoma penis, carcinoma of testis, carcinoma of prostate and the carcinoma of bladder. Okay. So from this scenario, we can easily able to conclude that the answer of this condition is going to be the carcinoma of penis. So why? Right? So let's try to break it down one by one. So the first clue or the first appropriate history that has been given in this question, that is your precancerous lesion. Okay. So as we know, CA penis or the carcinoma penis got multiple precursor skin lesion. Among them, Erythroplasia of Queyrat and the Bowen's disease, one of the most important. So it's basically erythematous precancerous skin lesion, typically involving the prepuce, which is basically known as the Erythroplasia of Queyrat. Same thing when it basically situated in the shaft of the penis, it is known as the Bowen's disease. Okay. Apart from that, we also have the Bowenoid papulosis, which is basically known precursor of the CA penis, right? So this is the first clue which basically satisfies the CA penis. Now the next important thing is the inguinal lymphadenopathy. So as we all know, the initial lymphatic drainage from the penis is basically located at somewhere in the superficial and the deep inguinal lymph node, and it is in fact a sentinel lymph node station for the penis as well, CA penis. So it is again another important thing, like it is a fast lymph node to be involved in case of CA penis. Okay. Next important clue that has been given in this question, that is your abdominal swelling. So let's try to understand. So in case of a CA penis or a patient presented with a long-standing history of the same, eventually presented with the abdominal lump, we can see. And most of the time, this the cause of this abdominal lump is nothing but an enlarged lymph node, and that lymph node is supposed to be either pelvic or retroperitoneal lymph node to be seen, which is basically a known metastatic pathway in case of advanced CA penis, right? So these all three important features that has been mentioned in this question suggesting us towards the CA penis. Now let's try to understand the other option. Okay, so in the other option we have the CA testis, right? So look, your CA testis eventually not presented initially with a inguinal lymphadenopathy. It is the one of the important aspect of CA testis. So their initial involvement of the lymph node is the para-aortic lymph node. Para-aortic lymph node, not the inguinal, right? And next important thing is that yes, sometime your CA testis can present with inguinal lymph node, but for that case, the violation of the scrotal lymphatic drainage is supposed to be needed, which is basically very rare, or it may be done or it may be seen after the surgery. Okay. Then we have the CA prostate. Look, you have to understand, CA prostate doesn't really have any precancerous skin lesion mainly. Okay. Apart from that, the CA prostate eventually drains, or the lymphadenopathy in case of CA prostate eventually seen in case of pelvic lymph node, which is eventually internal iliac and the obturator lymph node. Okay, not the inguinal one. So this is the important thing. And eventually the patient with a CA prostate, they presented with the features of LUTS, lower urinary tract syndrome, or the symptoms. Then we have the CA bladder, right? CA bladder. So the CA bladder patient presented with a hematuria, more often painless hematuria, but not with a precancerous skin lesion. Apart from that, the lymphatic drainage or the lymph node initially involved in case of CA bladder is also at the level of the pelvic lymph node, where the external iliac lymph node and the obturator lymph node involvement has been seen commonly, rarely to the inguinal lymph node. So from this discussion, we can easily able to conclude that here our answer is going to be CA penis.